Hello, my name is Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains. So we're going to get a train video. I heard a train coming from Bevere to Macon, somewhere. Let's try the chance to get to Honk. Wait till he get close by. I hear it. He's going slow, I imagine. Here comes the train. Autorack, all right. That train's on the move, Jack. 1, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. 74 Autorack cars. That train was motoring, Jack. He was on the move, man. How awesome was that? BNSF leading empty Autoracks, pulling empty vehicles. That's insane. With our guy with our sunglasses, he was waving at me. That's insane, man. Assembled that train was BNSF ES44DC. That train here originates at Blue Island, Illinois. Heads west, going to Kansas City, Kansas. Happened on this Friday, March 29th. Good Friday 2024 by Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains and BNSF Empty Autorack on YouTubeland. I'm going to take a look. You see there's that yellow work train machine sitting on the yard, and look at those rail ties. They're going to replace them this year. I don't know yet when, so we just had a lot of rail ties sitting on the track. You get a comic section with our rail ties. in the empty Autorack train, give YouTube a like. I appreciate from Wide World of Trains. My name is Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains. You enjoyed the video, so have a good day. Have a good night.